Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of General Science, topic Air Pollution, which is covered in chapter 3, the respiratory system, starting on page number 31 of your textbook, titled New Trends in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 24th of May 2021. Dear students, I hope you all must have understood the working of the respiratory system through our previous lessons. Through this lesson, we'll be learning about air pollution, how it affects our respiratory system, and how healthy breathing helps us in preventing ourselves from various diseases. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution is a type of environmental pollution that affects the air and is usually caused by smoke or other harmful gases. The harmful substances that cause air pollution are called air pollutants. And the mixing of these harmful components in air is known as air pollution. Air pollution affects our respiratory system and causes a number of diseases. Students, let us discuss the causes of air pollution. The very first cause is the smoke and the other harmful gases which are released from vehicles and various industries. Then, the smoke released due to burning of garbage, dried leaves and wood also causes air pollution. Dust produced from various construction activities also causes air pollution. Now, let us discuss some allergic diseases which are caused because of air pollution. Students, the germs present in air enter into the respiratory tract and multiply, causing various allergic diseases. So, let us discuss about them. Number 1, sneezing. Now, why do we sneeze? See, when we take in air through our nose, the germs are trapped by the hair which are present inside the nose. Sometimes when these particles are not trapped, they cause irritation. So, sneezing occurs to throw these particles out. So, children, sneezing is a mechanism which our body uses to clear our nose. Second allergic disease because of air pollution is coughing. Now, what is coughing? Coughing is a sudden, forceful sound to release air and clear an irritation in the throat. If germs means the unwanted particles, enter the respiratory tract or windpipe, then coughing occurs to throw these particles out. Another serious disease caused because of air pollution is asthma. Asthma is an allergic disorder of lungs. It is a condition in which a person's airways become narrow and swell and makes it difficult to breathe. The patient is not able to breathe because of asthma. So, inhaling polluted air can cause common cold, headache, dizziness, inflammation of lungs, and bronchitis. Now, let us discuss the symptoms of few diseases. First of all, the symptom of common cold. Fever, nasal discharge, headache, reddening of eyes are the common symptoms of common cold. And then bronchitis, the symptoms of bronchitis are shortness of breath, cough, and chest tightness. So students, let us first revise what we have learned till now in this topic. So please write the answers to these simple questions in your notebook. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. Question number 1 is, what are air pollutants? Question number 2. Name the organ system which gets affected because of air pollution. Question number 3. Name the mechanism of our body which is used to clear the nose. And then name an allergic disorder of lungs. So first of all, we'll check the answers and then we will proceed further. So to question number 1 is, the harmful substances that cause air pollution are called air pollutants. Number 2, the respiratory system. Answer number 3 is the sneezing. And answer number 4 is the allergic disease is the asthma. So students, now we will be discussing the precautions which we must take in order to keep ourselves safe. The very first thing is, eat a balanced diet which provide you with all the essential nutrients which are actually the requirement of your body. It will make you healthy and provide you strength in order to fight from germs. At number 2, always keep a handkerchief in front of your nose while sneezing, as common cold is a communicable disease and can spread from one person to another through air. Number 3, it is must to take personal care of health and hygiene. And number 4, if the cold is severe, must consult a doctor. Now children, how to ensure healthy breathing? See, every system of our body relies on oxygen. Oxygen is a natural medicine. We only need to learn how to breathe properly and make a habit of it. So let me tell you some ways to improve our breathing. Make a habit to go for a morning walk. Why morning walk? As morning air is comparatively less polluted. It is fresh and clean. So prefer to go for a walk in an area having greenery all around so that you can inhale air rich in oxygen. Number 2 is deep breathing. What is deep breathing? Deep breathing is a simple exercise that helps to take in more oxygen during breathing. Oxygen is the requirement of our lungs. So how the intake of oxygen we can increase? So the steps for the deep breathing are: A part, sit down on a mat and keep your back straight and close your eyes. B part, take a slow, deep breath through your nose. Let your belly expand a little so that the lungs expand completely. Then hold your breath and pause for a second. And then slowly breathe out. Your belly relaxes and lungs contract fully to remove the air. Doing deep breathing regularly will keep you fit and healthy. And third is doing yoga. Maintaining a good posture also helps to breathe properly. And children, try avoiding too much of fatty foods in your diet, as extra fats get stored in our body, leading to a disease which is called obesity. An obese person may suffer from breathing problems as fatty foods reduce the capacity of breathing. So students, here we have completed with the chapter. I hope you all must have understood the topic as well as the mechanism of our respiratory system. Now the time for the home assignment. First of all, do worksheet 2 given on page number 33 in your book. And then do activity 2 which is given on page number 32 to conclude that size of chest increases during inhalation and decreases during exhalation. Thank you, students.